code is an instruction about how to work with GitHub repository with Colab cloud computing environment, especially to create, edit, save, and examine history versions of your notebook for our assignments. And this assumes you have created your GitHub account and appropriate named repository for our assignments. Don't worry about the existing files here that represent my previously unsuccessful attempt to record the video. But if I delete those files, those operations will leave traces. I don't want to confuse you. So let's assume that we need to work in a new file and start from scratch. Say now we are in our assignment repo and we want to create a new notebook for some assignment to work on. Keep in mind this repo name and go to Collaboratory. Now it will ask you to open existing files or to create new notebooks, and you can notice that there are some local, which means local to Google, or some GitHub notebooks also already existing. Don't worry about them. And if you close this window by clicking the escape key on your keyboard, you can also create new notebooks using the file menu. Let's create a new notebook. Properly name it, say A4. Don't worry, we don't have A4. This is just for example of a new notebook. Do some editing. See my first line. Hello, A4. Well done. Now you can save a copy in GitHub. And make sure that you have selected the correct repo you want to save to. And don't worry about the branch for now. Leave it as master. Make sure the file name is the same as the name you have entered above. I don't recommend to change name here. Leave it. And you can have some message in this save. In GitHub, files, directories, everything are saved with version history. So every editing operation will be recorded. So this is my first round of working. And I would highly recommend you to check this box. In checking this box, the result notebook saved on GitHub will include a link to this collaboratory notebook. So from there, you can easily open and edit your saved notebook. So click OK. Now it leads us to our notebook repo. And you see, now we have, let's go to our repo. We have a new file, just as created by the Colab. Now we can click this link. Remember the link we mentioned? And it leads us back to our notebook. And we can create new cells. Okay, my second note. You can make some more edits and experimenting or whatever. And when you are doing that, you may create and when you finish doing that, after you have reached some milestone, you can save a copy in your GitHub. So make sure you haven't changed the name of the file, and give some notes about your editing. My second time working on this notebook, and click OK. So we are back in our repository, and look, your editing has been shown here. Maybe unintendedly we have created another code cell. Don't worry about that. So, and this message, your commitment message, has been shown here. If you click here, it will also compare the file before and after this editing. Look, in this editing, we have added two cells. One is the markdown note cell showing my second note, and second is an empty code cell. So, done.